Guys, like I said, I'm trying to decorate a kid's cake, children cake. So this is a topper I normally use. I ordered it online, so I just have to. I didn't put anything like fondant, so I just put directly on the cake, and it's actually going to stay. So that is it. So there's no fondant. Just get a there are different kind of papers most of these printers normally have. So just get a one that can actually stay on the cake, and then you're good to go. So, this is also the name, putting them into the cake. You actually staying on the cake. I don't use fondant for mine. So you see how it's looking on here. These are the toppers. I got it, like I said, I got it online. So just to, it has paper stick already, so we just have to, use it to decorate the cake. I love to decorate this cake. It's actually, easy, it's colorful, So I just have to use all this too. This was the number one topper, looking so beautiful. It's just very easy, you just have to put on the cake, the paper stick. Alright. Guys, this is my chocolate. I actually added a blue color to it. So I use a white chocolate to get this, and then I added the color. So I'm gonna put this on the cake, just to beautify it.